What's up guys, welcome to Wilderness Wayne's YouTube channel. My name is Dalton. Today me and my son Kason are here at Fry Cove in Olympia, Washington, and we're gonna go check out the water on the bay. We're gonna go check out some birds and just go see what else we can find. All right, let's go. We came across the hill and a nice set of stairs, but it looks like we can roll right past them, so that'll be nice. Hopefully the trail will be like the rest of the trail will be like this. We've came up to a nice solid staircase that I can't get around with the stroller, so I think I'll have to turn him around and pull him up. Oh wow, that's a cool tree. It's got a full-on seat right there. That's pretty sweet. Look buddy, we made it to the water. Yay! Here out in these waters we got these breed of ducks, and what they do is they dive down to find food, and as you can see right now they're washing themselves. But yeah, they're really cool. I don't know the name of them, but maybe here in a second we can catch them diving down and trying to eat some food. Oh, there you can see one that just popped up. Oh, there he goes. So, very cool. Alright, it's time to go back. Oh, here we go. I think my son really likes the stairs. I'm pretty sure that's his favorite part. Look, we got a little bridge. Woo! Out to the bay. Whoa. All right, check out this viewpoint. This is sick. Got a nice clear, well, not clear, but clear from any trees view of the beach. Pretty nice. What do you think, Kason? Oh, you just like the water? Alright, let's keep going. Alright, we made it back to the parking lot. I am soaked now. So, time to go get warm, get dry, go hang out inside for the rest of the day. Alright, later guys.